In this video, you will learn what happens with your baby this week, what happens to your body, things to do or consider this week. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. During this week, your child will be able to hear sounds outside the womb and also your voice. There are many other minor changes. At 16 weeks pregnant, for example, your baby's fingerprints are developing. The fingers and toes used to be smooth, but now they all have their own characteristic pattern. At 10.8 centimeters and 95 grams, your baby is the size of an avocado, as heavy as a chocolate bar, and has a protective layer of skin over his or her body. In week 16 of your pregnancy, your baby is not the only one growing, but so is your uterus. To make room, the bladder is pushed aside by the uterus, and this creates constant pressure on the bladder. This causes you to urinate more often. It's important not to hold it in, as postponing it will put you at a higher risk of getting a bladder infection. You might be suffering from a stuffy nose because your mucous membranes are swelling up. Does it bother you a lot? Consult with your doctor about remedies that you can use against it. Not every product is suitable for use during pregnancy. As you have noticed in recent weeks, ailments are inevitable during your pregnancy. One of those ailments is abdominal pain. To reduce abdominal pain, it is important to ensure adequate rest. Take the time for a nice warm bath, or curl up on the couch with a hot water bottle or blanket. Gentle forms of exercise, such as swimming or yoga, can also help. You will notice that you get tired faster. This is very normal. You have to understand that your body is consuming all your energy to grow your little miracle. It is therefore important to eat and drink well, because you need the nutrients to generate energy. There is little you can do about tiredness, dizziness, and nausea. Properly resting is crucial. Listen carefully to your body and don't force anything, because that will only work against you. Do you have not one, but two babies, or maybe even three in your belly? Having twins makes pregnancy twice as exciting. You now have two little ones whose development should be monitored. The chance that you suffer twice as much from pregnancy ailments is unfortunately also high. But this is not the case with every woman. Did you know that when you are 16 weeks pregnant, you can already have an ultrasound, and that, in many cases, the sex can already be determined? You may be able to feel your baby move already, but this won't be very noticeable. Most likely, all you might feel are bubbles in your stomach, because your baby is still very small and doesn't take up much space in the womb yet.